Alright, here's a little update on the Allure by Compoform. Look at this baby. I had to get used to it because it's just way different than any of the other ones. And I think I was manhandling it a little. Okay, so I still think it needs more grip. I think that if you were to get this model, but I'm also getting that skull one, so it should have more grip, but I really have to press down in order to get it. Although it is pretty. So the scratchiness is coming from these internal plates, but those were done on purpose so that it would have that effect. I'm getting used to it. So I really like the size and the weight, and actually I do like the magnet strength. I think the only thing I don't like is it's too smooth. I'm gonna need something with a little bit more grip. So, like I said, this one, sorry, the cat hair everywhere. This one, or the skull one, I think they said has more. But I mean, even though it doesn't have a lot of grip, it still, I could still move it easily. And I know some of the other sliders that I have, they get gummed up, but this is not happening here. Like, it's not getting gummed up at all. I mean, I can do whatever I want. So it's definitely like quality. Can't see any seams. So anyway, I actually would recommend this, but I would recommend getting a textured version, or maybe the skull one, because I still think it's too smooth. But the smoothness doesn't impact the ability to use it at all. And I actually think that the magnet strength is perfect. Shit. Okay. And then my V1, absolutely perfect. Stunning. The best thing I've ever felt. Look at that purple. Look at that blue. Purple, blue. Ugh. But yeah, I think I'm gonna have to swap this one out for one that has like a texture on it. So yes, I would recommend it, but I would recommend a textured one, the outside.